In this video, I will show you how you can make money by selling your internet data. If you have unlimited data Wi-Fi, you can also create a passive source of income. First, open the link from description box and tap on Get $3 or $3 bonus. Now create a new account and download the app. Or you can also download this app in your Mac or PC for more earnings. Here you have to log in with the same account and your earning will start. After $20, you can request a payout in your PayPal account. In this app, you can also earn faster by adding more devices or with referrals. And if you have any questions in your mind, then ask me in comments.